It's 6:15 a.m. Your alarm just went off, and you're lying there thinking, wait, I was asleep for 8 hours, so why do I feel like I got run over? You check your sleep app, and it says you barely touched deep sleep. Sound familiar? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you can sleep 8 hours and still feel wrecked, and a 90-second habit backed by real neuroscience that trains your brain to actually drop into deep sleep instead of just floating on the surface of it all night. And here's the thing, if you don't fix this, it doesn't just stay the same. You don't just feel a little tired. Without deep sleep, your brain skips the stage where it clears out waste and consolidates memory. So you start forgetting small things, then losing patience faster, then reaching for sugar and caffeine just to function. Weeks of technically sleeping turn into months of feeling foggy, irritable, and stuck. And most people never connect it back to one missing stage of sleep. So let's actually fix it. What it feels like. You wake up and your body feels heavy, like you slept in shallow water instead of actually going under. What people usually try. Sleeping more hours, or buying a better mattress, blackout curtains, a white noise machine. Why that fails. You've tried adding more hours, and it doesn't work, because more time in bed doesn't force your brain into deep sleep. It just gives you more hours of light, surface-level sleep if the switch never flips. Here's the reframe. Waking up exhausted isn't because you're a bad sleeper. It's because your brain never got the specific signal it needs to drop into its deepest stage. Here's what's actually happening. Deep sleep isn't something that just happens because you're horizontal for long enough. It's triggered by your body temperature dropping and your nervous system fully powering down at the same time. If either one is still on when you fall asleep, your brain stays in lighter stages instead of sinking down. That's not bad luck. That's a missed trigger. Think of it like a dimmer switch that needs to be turned slowly, not flipped. If you go from full brightness, phone light, racing thoughts, a slightly warm room, straight to asleep, your brain doesn't have time to dim all the way down. That's basically what's happening in your body every night you fall asleep still switched on. I call this the drop and dim habit. 3 steps, 90 seconds total, right before you turn off the light. Step 1. The 30-second cool down. Splash cool water on your wrists and the back of your neck, or step out of a warm room for a moment. This drops your skin temperature fast. Common mistake. People crank the room warm and cozy right before bed, thinking comfort helps. Instead, your body actually needs a slight temperature drop as the trigger, so a cooler room or cool water works with your biology, not against it. Step 2. The 30-second muscle release. Starting at your feet, tense each muscle group hard for 2 seconds, then let it go completely, working up through your legs, stomach, hands, and face. Real detail. You don't need a guided app for this. I just do it silently in bed, feet to face, and I'm usually done in half a minute. Step 3. The 30-second slow count exhale. Breathe out slowly while silently counting to 8. Then let the next breath happen on its own without controlling it. Repeat this 3 or 4 times. Quick real-life walkthrough. Picture someone getting into bed, running cool water over their wrists at the bathroom sink, sliding under the covers, tensing and releasing their body from feet to forehead, then doing 4 slow 8-count exhales and being asleep before they finish the 4th one. Once you do this, your body gets both signals it needs at the same time, temperature dropping and muscles fully released. So your brain reads that as safe to go deep instead of staying in a light holding pattern. Deep sleep's whole job is memory consolidation and physical repair, and it only switches on once your brain is sure you're fully powered down, not just lying still with the lights off. This isn't just a trick. It's based on real sleep research on core body temperature and slow-wave sleep, plus the well-documented progressive muscle relaxation technique used in clinical sleep therapy. Dropping your temperature and releasing muscle tension are 2 of the clearest signals your brain uses to decide it's safe to go deep. So to recap, Cool your skin down for 30 seconds. Tense and release your muscles head to toe for 30 seconds. Do 4 slow 8-count exhales. That's it, 90 seconds, and you're giving your brain the exact signal it needs to actually reach deep sleep instead of floating near the surface all night. Try this tonight, just once, and tell me in the comments if you wake up feeling noticeably less groggy. Next time, I'll show you the flip side, the morning habit that keeps that deep sleep benefit from wearing off by 10 a.m.